Okay, so let's learn how to make a Spotify app. You don't need to learn anything complex. You can do with simple HTML only. So again, if you want to impress your friends, this video is for you. So what we are going to do, we are going to use our audio tag, which is available in our HTML, to actually create something known as Spotify if I talk about. So how we will do that? First of all, I need an audio for that, obviously. So what I'll do, I'll simply come to this particular website of pixabay.com, and the first audio which I'm having, I'm going to simply click on download. Now if you want to use any other audio, you can do that. That totally depends upon you. So what you will do, you will simply click on download, and since I already have it in my particular piece of folder, which is HTML full course, like if you want to keep it somewhere else, you can do that, but I already have it, so I don't have to download it. So I'm going to click on cancel. Now what I'll do, I'll come to my this HTML file, and I'll say audio. Again, the syntax is quite simple. Starting tag. Now it does not have any content because obviously it's an audio. So I'll say src. Now where do I have my audio file? So I'll simply say audio.mp3. That's the path of it. But hey, Spotify is not working right now. I just have to add one more attribute, which is controls. I'll save the file, and now you can see I have an audio player with me. If I'm going to click on it, it is going to literally play the music. And I hope you guys were able to hear that. So this is how you create your own Spotify. Now if you want to do anything crazy with it, obviously you can do that, but you can understand how easy it is to learn and build a Spotify kind of an application. And in next video we will learn how we can make YouTube.